Morning, Henny. Wonderful to be with you today. I just think back to last week when we finished off last week, we were talking about positivity and how important it is to be positive. And the question that we posed was related to positivity. So we kick off today to say, how positive are you? And I think as we move on to the topic of meditation, I think it's important that we meditate or reflect on positive subjects. And I'd love to hear your thoughts on it.
Yeah, Peter, when I read this, I thought that meditation for me was almost too deep, and the word reflection came to mind a lot more. One of the key things that Robin wrote down was the key to a great life is to be in the world, yet not be attached to it.
Yes.
And then something following on that was don't spend the best days of your life climbing a mountain only to realize when it's too late that you've climbed the wrong one. So that's what I took from it, was to say we all live in a very busy life. We sometimes just need to slow down a little bit, to reflect, to take stock, find a little bit of quiet somewhere in your day, and then just think back about the day, think back about what you're doing. Are you living intentionally? That's my thoughts.
No, I agree with you totally, and I just like the actual heading, microdose meditation, and that we need to spend these microdose moments reflecting on these things and how important it is.
What was interesting as well as Mahatma Gandhi there was a quote on that around meditation specifically, where he said, I have so much to accomplish today that I must meditate for 2 hours instead of 1. The focus for me once again is spend time reflecting, preparing yourself, and have that stillness before you really continue with it.
I don't think we spend enough time reflecting on these things. We just charge ahead like the proverbial bull in a china shop. That's my experience. I don't know about your experience.
I think so too. And I'm busy working in my life as a process business right now, Peter. And the one thing for me that was very interesting is outputs are actually life indicators for us. It's telling me, reading what's happening, and the thoughts around that is, well, how do I change those things? I sometimes need to sit down and say, that's what I'm measuring. Is that the right things? Is that what I'm supposed to do? We need that stillness, that reflection, quietness.
Have you got a question for them?
Yes, Peter, on that note, yes, I do have a question. How much time are you spending reflecting every day?